This reminds me of some old school Aquanet. Y'all know what Aquanet is? If you don't, look that up. Tell you right now, the Purifying Charcoal Detox Shampoo from OGX is not for me. When I say my hair feels stripped, it feels S-T-R-I-P-P-E-D. Okay? Now, I probably should have only washed my hair once, but because I suffer from dandruff, dry scalp, I had to make sure my scalp was super clean. I applied everything to my scalp, scrubbed my scalp, and everything else was just what came after that. As you can see from the first wash, it sudsed immediately. The second wash, clearly it was on some serious sud action. I will say a little goes a long way. It feels good, you know, once I just had it on my hand by itself, but once I put it through my hair and everything, the feeling of my hair being super squeaky clean, I didn't like that. And it also sucked away any moisture from my hands. So moving on to the conditioner. This also has coconut charcoal and kaolin clay in it as well. First ingredient is water, like normal, but then it goes into 2 different alcohols, a glycerin, let's see, charcoal powder, kaolin, some other stuff I don't know how to pronounce, and it has isopropyl alcohol in it, you guys. Big no-no. But I'm doing this for y'all. I'm sacrificing for y'all, so I hope you have subscribed, because this will probably be the only time I use these products. Just saying. To each their own. Okay, so it's thick but not too thick. It comes out easily. Very smooth. Both the shampoo and the conditioner have a super light scent. So it's a nice, pleasant scent. It doesn't smell like it's full of all the stuff that's in it. Okay. Can't see what I'm doing. For some reason, once I rub it on my hair, the scent is a little bit stronger. It's a super soapy scent, if that makes sense. Not feeling any oils because there really isn't any. So I'm just going to apply this to my hair. It says leave it on 3 to 5 minutes, I believe. Yes, 3 to 5 minutes, and then rinse thoroughly. Is this a good detangler? For me, no. If you've tried this product and it's easy easy for you to detangle, then good for you. But you know, this is my video, my experience, my hair, and I know what my hair likes. So I'm just doing the best that I can. But my curls are grabbing hold to each other for dear life because this is just not me oils in here. Now thankfully I did pre-po. I actually pre-po'd all yesterday, and I use a thermal cap to do that. Okay, you guys, so I'm done washing out the conditioner. Really, honestly, nothing special about the conditioner. It did not leave my hair feeling, you know, a little bit smoother, easier to detangle or anything. Still feels the same. I'm looking through these ingredients. There is not one oil in this conditioner. The creamy hair butter, it's a leave-in or rinse out. More oils in it, but I believe it had, I'm trying to think, was there mineral oil in here? There was something that stood out and I was like, oh, I don't think so. Yes, mineral oil is listed as the the third ingredient. And then when it starts getting to actual oils that I care about, like there's some coconut oil, there's soybean oil, argan oil, which is in the title. Argan oil is listed as the 12th ingredient. Shea butter is listed as the 10th. So that should tell you a little something. I mean, I like the consistency. I do like that. It does have more oils in it than everything else. I need to run to my other house. Yes, I'm in between two houses right now. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and use this as just the hair butter. I'm not going to wash it out because that is an option, leave in or rinse out. I'm going to leave it in so I get at least some kind of moisture and you guys can see how it smooths onto my hair. It does smooth on nice. So I'm rubbing this through here. It's okay. I mean, it does seem to be spreading nicely. And you guys come to me for honesty, right? I'm keeping honest. Now I'm sure there's going to be somebody who thinks this is perfect for them, and that's good for you. But remember, when watching YouTubers, everything's not meant for everybody, and it's okay. Guys, I'm back, and it's actually 2 days later. Time you want to take down braids or twists, make sure you have oil on your hands. Definition so far is pretty much what's to be expected when I do braid outs. I'm satisfied with it. My hair is completely dry. I did let it dry basically overnight. I think I had these braids in by at least 6 p.m. last night, and they dried overnight, and I just slept with a satin pillowcase. The air dry cream I actually like. It's not that much in a bottle. The bottles are little. I think it's 6 fluid ounces, and for the amount of cream that I need, you know, I could be done with that in a matter of just a few wash days. As far as slip, it was cool. It smells fine. You know, it had a little bit more oils in it than everything else. One thing about OGX is you really have no problem finding it, at least not in my area. Walgreens, Rite Aid, hair supply stores, Walmart. It's usually a brand I see everywhere. It's just, I mean, honestly, it's just not a brand that I personally go for. But I was, you know, grateful for the chance to at least try this particular line. Like I said, it's one thing about subscription boxes. It's a way to try new things, and best way for me to provide you guys with videos of product reviews or, you know, things I try is to get a curl box. So all done. You guys tell me what you think. As far as definition, I like the definition it gave me. I actually truly do. I just think it lacks moisture. Let me know if you like my results, what you think about OGX and their coconut curls line and charcoal, purifying charcoal detox. And the last thing I will do is spray on this, which is supposed to give me a soft hold. So it's supposed to give a soft hold, and it says it has coconut oil and jasmine extract. Jasmine, that sounds like that will smell good. It says it will hold the curls, hold, bounce without the stickiness. Okay, let me see. See what it smells like. Honestly, you guys, all I smell is alcohol. Warning, danger, extremely flammable. Oh, really? Y'all, I'm doing this for you. I'm doing this for you. Will I be ever using this again? No. Okay, let's see how it sprays. Okay, it sprays out good. Y'all, this is basic hairspray. This is not, honestly, this is not hairspray meant for everyone, should I say. This reminds me of some old school Aquanet. Y'all know what Aquanet is? If you don't, look that up. This reminds me of something you would use in the 80s with the feather bangs and everything. Y'all babies don't know about that. I understand. But everybody else, my age and around that. Okay, that's it, y'all. Tell me what you think. Make sure you subscribe. I know this is a longer video, but I had to break it down in between 3 days to give y'all what I'm giving y'all, and that is straight up honesty. Make sure you subscribe, and I will talk to you roses later.